Hello, teacher. My name is Nicolas Riasco, and today I am going to talk about the main problem surgery face no ways based on the measures of the sum. Dear Mr. President, by Pink. The sum highlights several important social issues that continue to affect our world. On the biggest problem is poverty and homelessness in the sum. Being asked, what do you feel when you see all the homeless on the street? This question shows that many people still live with a home without safety and without support from the government. The song also mentions people who work very hard but still struggle to survive, like when she says, let me tell you about hard work. Minimum wage with a baby on the way. This reflects the reality of many families who work full time but cannot cover their basic needs. Another major problem is social inequality and discrimination. And Pink criticized leaders on sequers. Always people are asking what kind of father will take on daughter. And rise always, and this refers to discrimination, especially against women and LGBTQ people. Is shown that many crises still do not have equal rights of fair treatment. And the song also highlights the love for empathy from Portugal leaders. Being question showed um, 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 how leaders can ignore the suffering of people, saying, how do you sleep with the rest of us cried? These presidents actually were thus in power of the focus on the themselves instead, helping volunteer population. In conclusion, according to the message of dear Mr. President, the main problem in solidarity today include probably homeless, economic inequality, discrimination, the lack of empathy for those who should protect citizens, the use, meaning as that society needs so that justice, respect, and cooperation to create better world. Thank you, teacher, very much.